I'm going to measure off the thickness of the drawer, and that's 1/4 of an inch. Not that side, this side. And now I'll try and do it this way. It's a bit difficult to get the right angle over here. I'll lean it over so that you can see. I have to square that off to cut a rebate. So I'm going to use the square to get into the corner and mark that off, like so. And do the same on the other side. Let's see if I can angle that across for you to see. So if I make sure I've got that angle there, and square. Okay, so that is now marked off all the way around, and I'm now going to create a knife wall. So I'm going to move over to my other side of the bench over here. Hopefully you can see what's going on there. Okay. Now, ideally what I want to do is actually get the knife wall going at the same angle as the fence, as the face, should I say, of that side. And I think it's probably going to be easier if I just use a gauge again, essentially to just square that off. That should give me automatically the right side. Let's see if you can see that now. I can keep doing that deeply enough, I can then cut into that. And I will keep doing that until I get down to the reasonable depth, and then I'll saw out the rest. Okay, let's put that out there, get this out the way. And I'm going to saw away some of that. Let's see what I'm doing there. Yeah. Okay. now just remove some of the waste over here, otherwise it'll cause some breakout. Okay. I'm just going to go back to using the bench. And I have a side rabbit plane. This one is the way it is standard, and you would use that to square off a side. This one has an added filler to take it down to 1/4 of an inch, which is the thickness of the draw side. And I'm going to use that to square off the side. Okay, now as I'm getting close to the edge, I'm going to just mark off the edge so I can keep track of where it's cutting. Square that off. Okay. Just use the knife to clean it out. Okay, that's a nice clean rebate. Square should be the right thickness for that, right depth for that, all the way across. Okay, that's perfect. This is nice and straight, it's nice and straight. Can you see in the light? That's better. And that fits in just like so.